Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to generate certificate automatically for a Google form or Google quiz. You can provide certificate to respondent of Google quiz or some feedback form. So to generate certificate automatically, you need to create either a feedback form or some quiz, and based on data for that form, that quiz, you can generate certificate automatically through Google add-ons. There are various add-ons for different features. Basically, add-ons are small programs designed for a special task, and for each kind of job you need to use different add-ons. To use add-ons, simply open your feedback or Google form or quiz and simply go to this three dot, go to add-on section. From here you can get a number of various add-ons for different kind of job. For example, Certify-M is used for automatically generating certificate, and email notification for forms, it is used for providing time constraint on your Google form. Also, there are some other forms, you can explore them and their use. To use a particular add-on, you need to first install it. So simply search from here, or you can also type the particular add-ons name. So Certify-M is used for automatically generating certificate. I have already installed it. You can install from here. When it is installed, simply close it and go back to your form. After installation of a add-on, a new icon will be appear here. When you press here, all the installed add-on will be appear here. So simply go to your required add-on. So go to Certify-M control. You will get control panel of Certify-M. First time when you use this feature, it will be turned off. So turn on the certification. You will get here as turn on. So simply click here, it will be turned on. You can also see certificate records. For example, click here. You will get the recent certificate records, the number of respondents who have attempted your quiz or feedback form. Now you can also set passing criteria from here, so that if someone get 70, 80 or 40 or 50% marks, he will be qualified for getting certificate. Also, there are a number of template for certificate. You can choose them, what kind of template you want to use for your certificate. For example, you can get preview of all kind of certificate from here. So these are the predefined templates. You can use them. You can also test as a sample certificate. Simply email me sample, and for the selected template it will send you the certificate. Also, one limitation of Certify.m add-on is that per day it can only send 100 certificate. So if there are more than 100 participant, then each day if it will send 100 certificate. Now suppose you don't want to use these templates and you want to use your own template, so you can customize your template. Simply click on custom template. It will lead you to this box. From here you can choose your predefined template. For example, the predefined template should be available in your Google slide. So first go to Google slide and design some certificate, and from here all the slides will be available here in your Google slide, and you can choose the particular slide designed for certificate. Select it and save changes. So in this way your customized certificate will be selected here. You can go to see your Google slides. For example, I have recently designed a certificate in Google Slides, or you can design a slide on your system and simply upload on Google Slide. You can see here that there are some tags. So for example, these are the tags that you can use for your certificate: full name, other identifier 2, title, date 2, percent, certificate ID. So all the text inside double curly braces is called tag. For example, let me show you all the tags. So these are the some tags for Certify.m. So do not use any variation of this name. For example, don't put any extra space. It is case sensitive. So write the tag name exactly as it is shown here. And for the functionality of each tag is described here: full name of exam taker, title of the Google quiz, other identifier, the first optional identifier, date 2, percent, score obtained in exam, passing percentage, and certificate ID. So for example, if you see here, so the tags are identified here. So full name is a tag, other identifier another tag, other identifier 2, total score, percent score, pass, and certificate ID. So the tag value will be retrieved from this Excel sheet. So do not change name of the tag, otherwise data will be not retrieved from the this Certify-M records. Now go to this advanced section. Here you can make some more settings. For example, exam options. So message shown upon submission. So if anyone submit your feedback form or quiz, this message will be received to him. Thank you for your submission. So you can always write message according to your choice. You can also add carbon copy from here. Here you can provide name of sender and subject and content of body. You can also add black carbon copy here. As well, you can also select in which format your file will be sent, as a PDF or image, or also it is sent through email or it will be shared on Google Drive. This is the time zone. So do necessarily changes and settings and save changes. So all these are the settings. We have make all the settings. Now close it. So whenever anyone submit the feedback form or quiz, he will automatically receive certificate in few seconds. So here you can see that I have submitted quiz and just after few seconds I received certificate automatically. So in your customized template you can also add some more content. For example, you can add logo, you can also add signatures or digital signature here. So use of Certify-M add-ons is very simple. You have to simply install it from here, provide some template, or you can customize some template, do some settings, and after that everyone who submit the quiz will get the certificate automatically. Thank you.